Hey dear aspiring YouTubers, welcome to Tutorologist, where we're all about helping you grow and succeed on YouTube. Are you just starting out and want to avoid some common pitfalls? Well, you're in luck, because today we are going to reveal the top 12 mistakes new YouTubers like you make and how to avoid. So let's go and let's dive in. Number 1. Inconsistent upload schedule. One of the biggest mistakes new YouTubers make is not uploading consistently. Having a regular upload schedule helps your viewers know when to expect new content, and it keeps them coming back for more. Tip: set a realistic schedule and stick to it. Whether it's once a week or once a month, consistency is the key. Number 2. Poor video quality. Another common mistake is uploading videos with poor quality. This can be due to bad lighting, shaky camera work, or low resolution footage. Tip: invest in a good camera or smartphone. Use a tripod and make sure you have a proper lighting to ensure your videos look professional. Number 3. Ignoring audio quality. Audio quality is just as important as video quality. Many new YouTubers overlook the importance of clear and crisp audio. Tip: use a good quality microphone and make sure to edit out any background noise during the post-production. The next one is weak titles and thumbnails. A compelling title and thumbnail can make all the difference when it comes to getting clicks. Many new YouTubers don't put enough effort into creating engaging titles and eye-catching thumbnails. Tip: spend time crafting titles that accurately describe your content and pique curiosity. Use tools like Canva to create creative thumbnails to stand out. Another one is not engaging with your audience. One of the best ways to grow your channel is by engaging with your viewers. However, many new YouTubers do not take the time to respond to comments and interact with their audience. Tip: be active in the comment section, respond to viewer questions, and create a sense of community around your channel. The next one is neglecting search engine optimization. SEO is very crucial for getting your videos discovered on YouTube. So many new YouTubers don't pay attention to optimizing their video titles, tags, and descriptions. Tip: use tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ to conduct keyword research and optimize video metadata to improve your search rankings. Another one is impatience. Growing a successful YouTube channel takes time and dedication. Many new YouTubers become impatient and give up too soon. Tip: stay patient, keep learning, and stay consistent with your uploads. Success won't happen overnight, but with determination, it will come. Lack of focus. Another mistake new YouTubers make is trying to cover too many topics and not having a clear focus for their channel. Tip: choose a niche or theme for your channel and stick to it. This will help to attract dedicated audience and make it easier for viewers to understand what your channel is all about. The next one is forgetting about channel branding. Channel branding is essential for creating a professional and memorable image. Many new YouTubers do not put enough effort into creating a cohesive channel design. Tip: design a unique channel banner, logo, and consistent thumbnail style to create a strong visual identity for your channel. Another one is not promoting your videos. Simply uploading videos and hoping they'll get views is not enough. Many new YouTubers neglect the importance of promoting their content. Tip: share your videos on social media, engage with online communities in your niche, and collaborate with other creators to help your videos reach a wider audience. Next we have is overlooking video editing. Video editing plays a significant role in overall quality of your content. However, many new YouTubers do not take time to polish their videos. Tip: learn basic video editing techniques to make your content engaging and professional. There are many free and paid editing software options available to suit your needs. The last one is comparing yourself to others. Lastly, it's easy to fall into the trap of comparing your channel to others' channel, and this can be discouraging and demotivating. Tip: focus on your own growth and your own progress. Set realistic goals for your channel. Everyone's journey is different, so celebrate your achievements and keep pushing forward. And there you have it, the top 12 mistakes new YouTubers make and how you can avoid them. Remember, the road to success on YouTube is paved with learning and growth. So keep experimenting, stay consistent, and never give up. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more tips and advice on growing your YouTube channel. Have you made any of these mistakes, Or do you have any tips to share? Leave a comment below and let's keep the conversation going. Until next time, happy creating.